Alright, so in the last video we copied the profile here up to level top of column and flipped the profile to make it work, and now we're going to do the same thing down here on the base level. Just make a copy of this and adjust it instead of creating a whole new one. So I'll go to my level 2 here and I'm going to zoom in and select that profile. So if I pick that profile, I should be able to go to edit in place. Or actually, let's go ahead and just copy it. So I'm just going to select that profile, go to copy. And I'm going to copy it to the exact same place. So it doesn't really matter how you do this. I'm just going to pick the midpoint of there. And then I'm going to right click and go to snap overrides and pick intersection and pick there. So now there's one of those right on top of each other. And now what I'm going to do is just pick the profile, one of them, and go to edit in place. Pick the profile again, go to edit sweep, and I'm going to sketch the path, and it's going to show me the existing path, right? And I just want to take that path and align it to the inside of the glass. So that's what I'm going to do, is just go around and align that to the inside of the glass. And once I'm done with that, I'll hit check, done with the path, and now I want to select the profile, and I'm going to go to my 3D view to look at that profile. So now we're on the inside, right? And so we want that profile to be flipped the other way. So if I pick it and I set the angle to 180, let's see what it does. It flips it around, right, to 180 degrees from its original orientation. And then I can hit check, right, and check. And then I could do the same thing that we did in the previous video, which is to pick that interior, copy it to my clipboard, paste it aligned to selected levels, and we want to go to top of column. Click OK. And now it's copied that up to top of column. You can see it. And we want to go to edit in place while it's selected. Then we want to select the sweep. So if I can get in there and pick it, we can edit that sweep. We can select the profile, right? And if we go in, we can see that profile. And let's see what happens if we flip it. Nope, no flipping. So if we set it back to 90, it goes to there. And let's just set it back to 0 here, and that'll flip it down to its original, and then we'll just flip it, right, and it'll flip it to the inside, and we've got our 2 sweeps. So let's take a look at it in section maybe here and see if we got things in there the way that we want them. So if we go in and take a look, right, whoops, looks like we got an extra one up here. So I must have, so we can probably delete that one. I don't know how that got in there, but I guess an extra one's better. But there they are. So there's the glass, and there's the 2 down there. And let's see what we've got at the bottom. And we've got the 2 at the bottom. So we're good. All right. So that concludes the sweep. There is a way that you can actually go in and have all of these sweeps in the same family. You could make 4 sweeps in the same component family. So you can think about that. I'm not going to do that, but it's possible. The next thing I'm going to do is show you, right now this sweep is curved, right? So you're not getting a line right there. It's just, if you rendered it, it would look good, but it's a little complex. So we're going to, in the next video, we're going to look at how you can create one that is sort of straight and a little bit less complex.